Hello, my people. I not be smarting, as I dare say, the verse. Based on the rate, where we say, our Nigeria police, don't what they do, they oppress. Since where Yahoo boys not agree work out for this stand, they get the citizen inside house. Nigeria police in the name of SARS. I don't know whether when you poor woman or you poor man don't complain, give them say whether their money lost for abroad, will be say that they do Yahoo, they do. But the rate will be say our Nigeria police now, till they go inside house, they go find Yahoo boys. And that will not be their right. But thank God say information reaching me from the office of the presidency. They say federal SARS, any policeman or whatever, not get right to check any guy man phone again. You not get right to shop, you check your laptop. Do you not get right to check any gadget where we say you don't operate or whatever. But thank God so far, the federal police, from the office of the presidency and commissioner of police, and that of the AIG, Inspector General of Police, he don't talk am. He say make all the federal SARS and all the rest come up for road, make them not match roadblock again. Say the major two way concern there, if not be criminal case or na kidnapping case. Now only those two things now share for them. And make them not the very free again. Because what it made me they actually they talk on this very issue. Immediately I hear the federal government award 18 billion naira to the people say to fight against anti-court. From that anti-court self, according to the suspect say some of these people, because some of them go just they others anti-court group will be say federal government equipped. Just they Commodore just carry passion, they use the join police now. They will just wear black polo like this kind of my polo. They go wear safety shoes, say they be member of the Nigeria police for they join. Now those bad air go they take put just say the name of anti-court so. Now they join so till they do all this rubbish because now they know area boys when they show road to Nigeria federal SARS. Say some boys they do Yahoo for this compound, some boys they do yeah. No but on duty, thank God say on a leader that talk am. I know say as the leader don't pass this information so he go see later come bring phone number. I beg federal SARS and president of Nigeria and the rest, both our governor, we take God beg ona. We no need phone number to call ona to tell ona say some group of SARS they misbehave because the numbers the one that they give us, some of them not they go. The number they not they go at all. So we don't want number again. The only thing what we want as not take talk and make the law whole. We don't want SARS for our road, and again we don't want SARS as not take talk and to check any phone of anybody or whatever. If anybody will get case with anybody, make it go police station, go report. Now the duty of the police to take care of domestic issues. It not concern federal road SARS and the rest. Because now the reality at the top, because recently now you don't do too much and over too much. Our Ugly people, they always complain because that's where I come from. When I say this week, now me and Nigeria police them and especially the federal road SARS, so me and them, any of an error, now so go they use at the touch ground. But for now advice I just advise and I just the same time and now Sam. Make you know, papa and mama, brother and sister, pikin where they there. Any federal SARS will check your phone. Go write petition against her, sue her to court, make it tell you what they find for your phone because your phone are your privacy. You don't know whether you and your wife nakedness inside the phone. So now what I just want to tell you now so because enough is enough for federal SARS because not be to answer one or to follow them because now this data state they all Nigeria now they go put up something then at the end how the thing they die later they not go know. Then from nowhere these people will come up with a different uniform again say that they do something. I read my case for now but I'm not gonna put up for mine say I am say Yagbeshare my ears is there everywhere for this data state and in Nigeria now and they wash on her and anybody will virtual fuck up when you go hear your own news from this my very mouth. I rest my scale. God bless you.